All right, so we're gonna do. All right, so today's trade recap. We're gonna be going over this. Today is February 27th, 2026. Just filmed one of these, but I think it can be a lot better. So we're gonna go over that. So overall on the day, I was bearish. Come on, 4 hour. Let's go, buddy. Overall on the day, I was bearish. We're delivering off this high time frame SMT after I saw manipulation. So in general, I was looking for this to be our kind of accumulation zone, looking for manipulation into these highs, SMT, and then delivering all the way lower through these lows. So that's like my overall bias. I'm still thinking that as we go into next week, even though we are sitting in this balanced price range. I mean, I'm really hoping that we have some news drivers that can get us kind of a little shaken up. But going into the day, I'm overall bearish. So with where we're at in price action, I had some lower targets. I had both these lows marked out, and then I also had discount of this wick marked out. So if we were delivering and rejecting off of it really well, I would have I would have probably considered thinking we're going to at least hold bullish for the day. So when I saw that we ended up coming lower at open, we ended up coming lower and then taking out this liquidity. And it wasn't the best PA at open. So we ended up taking out this low. I don't know if we put in SMT or not. I don't remember. But at this point, I'm just looking for sells because we don't really have any good long looks here. I mean, to be honest, they were okay, but really choppy as you can see. And so as we get into discount, I'm already looking for shorts. And so this is kind of the first setup I'm looking at. Once I see us take this internal high, I believe we were inside of a gap here. Yeah, we're inside this 15-minute. Once I see us in discount taking out this 15-minute, I'm like, okay, I would like to see rejection. I would like to see us put in some sort of accumulation with a nice solid price leg, but clearly we're still generating bullish. So I want to wait for that price leg to get put in. It never really gets put in super strong while we're in discount, but we end up coming up into OTE, which here we are. We are in OTE. Now, this is like basically equal highs up here. So obviously, I'm not looking for shorts yet. We're still generating these lows, not ready to move lower yet. Bam. So now I see us taking this, put in the swing low, come up higher. Instantly, we take out this liquidity. We put in an SMT. So we have two SMTs now. We have three actually. We have the 4 hour SMT delivering us lower. So now I'm way bearish on the overall scheme of things. But now I zoom in on the single price leg. I see us take out this high. ES does not. So we have this SMT. And then we put in this internal SMT. So I'm like, okay, clearly we're going to, I'm seeing a lot of great confirmation. Whoops. I'll just delete this for the sake of, but you can see we're in OTE the range. We're delivering off a 15-minute gap to our left. So this is a 15-minute gap. And then I see us put in this 30-second. It's not very clean price action, to be totally blunt. It's not clean PA at all. I got my short in right around here. I had my stop at this swing low, but whenever we have wicks like this, we have a lot of built-in liquidity. And I found myself getting stop rated while I was back testing and in some live test and just live trading. So I want to put my stop right above. I think like what my main look is right above right above discount of this wick. Just because a lot of times we'll take out some liquidity, and reject really hard. And that's exactly what we ended up doing. So I ended up moving up my stop. I tried live trading, by the way, and my recording was, I don't even want to get into it. Don't even ask me about it. But essentially, we ended up doing that, getting really strong rejection off this wick. And then our break even was set at this 30-second. Now, the overall delivery of the trade was like, the overall setup externally was great. The internal price action, pretty buns. We got the 30-second. We got like a weak ass gap, but we did get our 30-second. And so with our entry, that was kind of late. We got it. Once we tapped into this gap, I was like, okay, I'm going to go break even. I had targets at this internal low right here. And so, yeah, and this ended up being a break-even trade. We ended up coming higher, and then price just chopped the rest of the day, basically. So super happy with the break-even, super happy with the trade overall. And execution-wise, I wasn't really paying attention, so I got like a fill that was like there. Pretty trash fill, but that's fine. Overall, though, bias wise, everything. Happy with how I played it. And yeah. And going into the next days, I'm looking forward to staying consistent, following my model, and continuing to trade good. That's the goal. So yeah, hopefully me in the future is happy with myself. See ya.